don't know what's this. Yeah, these are magnet blocks. Today I will make with these magnet blocks a ball. Let's start. Let's go. Now just one. Kind of looking cool. Now just put these and then one more. Now just one more. And then one more. Now it's going to look better. Oh, pretty cool. This is our one part. Now let's get one more. Just like that. And then, what do we need? We just need this. Now let's put it right here. Now let's put this guy right here. Now let's stick them together. Just one to the next. Yes. Now let's make the upper close. Triangles. And our upper part is ready. My ball is ready. Friends, I also now want to make a cake. Okay. Oh, the rectangles. Now let's get him right here. No, we just need a triangle. Friends, from this way, the beast cannot go. Here is closed, but here is open. We're gonna make a card. Let's start. Now, let's start with him. Just like that. And then just like this. Oh, that looks a little bit cool. Cool. Now let's just connect it to the other. Now let's have another one. Oh yes. Looks a little cute too. Kind of looks like a normal box.
Yes.
Now what else should we make? I think I should make a cam. Let's try. Looks a little cute. It looks cool. Now what should I make? I want to make a chair and a table. Let's first make the chair. Yes. Now, just do like this. Now, just like this. Let's make a table. Let's make this down part. Now let's put this right here. Kind of looking cool. My chair table is ready. Now I'm going to make a penguin. Okay. Let's first start with his head. Okay. Actually, with the beak. Start with a wing. Oh yes. Now just make the head. Okay. This is his head. Now let's make the body. Yes. Like this. Okay. And then one more like this. Now put another one like this. Let's make it speak. Yes. Now the wing. Now my penguin is ready. Now my penguin is ready. If you like my video, give me a big thumbs up. Take care of yourself. Bye.